Hello guys. Hello guys. Short video. I want to improve the lighting in my garage because I'm fixing. I'm. Hello guys. Short video. Um, I want to improve the lighting in my garage because I try to paint my car and the lighting it's terrible. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of that. Okay, let's get going.